everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we have an exciting opportunity to explore a unique scholarship program designed to empower future leaders of India. The Vahini Scholarship offered by Vahini Groups is a non-profit initiative aims to provide a deserving and academically meritorious students in India with a financial support for their undergraduation course. The Vahini Scholarship is more than just a financial aid, it's a comprehensive support program that covers a wide range of expenses to ensure that students should fully focus on their education. One of the standout features of this scholarship is that it covers the complete tuition fees of your entire duration of undergraduate course, relieving the financial burden on students and their families. Recipients also receive a fixed stipend that can be utilized as a travel allowances, purchasing college textbooks, and to cover the expenses of hostel or PG accommodations. And an additional stipend will be provided to purchase the laptop or to purchase any tools which is essential for their educational journey. Beyond financial assistance, Vahini Scholarship also offers a valuable personal and professional growth opportunities. The scholars have an access to workshop, one-on-one mentoring and career counseling to guide them academically and professional path. This scholarship even may open the doors to cover the summer internship with the best organization. It's a chance for a student to gain the real-world experience and build a career. To be eligible for Vahini Scholarship, applicant must be currently studying in class 12 and must have secured minimum of 85 in class 10 and 11. Highlights of the programs focus on academic merit. Applicant must come from the family background whose family income is less than 1.5 lakhs rupees. This is to ensure that the scholarship reach out to only those students who are in really need of this. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, The Global Scholarship, link in description box. When applying, student needs to provide an important documents including 10th and 11th original mark sheets, income certificate and the other important certificates as mentioned in the application form, along with 2 passport size photographs. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box, then you will be redirected to application page. If you find the content valuable, then please show some support by subscribing our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Let's come back to the application process. Click on the Vahini Scholar login button. If you are already a registered user, please log into the application with the credentials. If not, then please register yourself and then log into the application. We need to fill out 10 different forms, so be careful while applying for any of this information. So let's begin with the personal information. Enter all your personal details including your phone number and email ID. Make sure while entering your email ID and phone number should be valid because the further communications will go through the same. And next you need to fill out about your identity numbers like Aadhaar number and a PAN card number. And the next question you need to fill out about is like how did you get to know about this scholarship? Please mention you got to know about this via the Global Scholarship. So now let's provide the family information, that is your current address and the permanent address details you need to give, and click on the save and update button and click on the next button. And the next is, which is very important, to provide a bank details about your personal account as well as along with your parents. So while entering these details, please take care of your account number, IFSC code as well as the bank name. Now click on save and update button and click on the next button. Now let's begin with the academic information by providing your school name, address along with PIN code and the state you belong to. And now fill out the details about your academic achievements, that is the marks you have secured, the school you have studied in, the board you have passed, and please upload your mark sheet as a proof where it proves that you have secured 85% in your past examination. The next one is college preference, which is more important, like you need to provide 3 highest preferences along with the college name, state and the undergraduation course. And the next is extracurricular activities. If you are part of any of these extracurricular activities, then please select the option accordingly. The next phase is essay. Basically the scholarship provider has asked 3 questions, you need to answer for all those and you need to move on to the next additional questions. If you have any requirements, special requirements, you can answer accordingly and click on the submit button. Vahini Scholarship is a holistic program that nurtures academic and personal growth of class 12 students. It's an incredible opportunity for those who aspire to excel academically but may face a financial constraints. If you or someone you know who meets the eligibility criteria, then don't miss this opportunity to embark on the educational journey. That's not only financially supported but also personally enriching. The Vahini Scholarship is shaping the leaders for tomorrow. While filling out these details, if you find any difficulty or if you have any queries, please drop your queries in the comment box. We'll reply at the earliest. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every possible student by sharing this video. Signing off, take care and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship.